this serum will instantly brighten up your skin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Guys, today's video we are gonna be talking about this glowing serum. So if you want a cheap yet effective serum that is going to give you results and make your face look so smooth, brighter, and glowing, then make sure to stay, like this video, and also subscribe because I'll be spilling all the tea on this glow serum. Like, guys, this is the best affordable serum that will brighten up your skin and give you a smooth, beautiful, glowing skin. This is one of the cheapest skin brightening serum that you will ever find. So let's dive right into it. Now, the name of the serum that we are gonna be talking about today is this Beauty Formula Glowing Serum with 2% vitamin C. So this is the serum right here. So this is the serum right here. So this is what the product looks like. This is what the product basically looks like. So the packaging of the serum is so clean. So the packaging to me is clean and simple. Once you open up the pack, you will have the 30 ml brown bottle with a black pipette cover inside. So this is what the product inside looks like. If you open up the bottle, you have this pipette cover, and this is what the product inside looks like. Can you guys see the texture? It has the slimy texture. The product inside is off-white in color, and it has this lightweight creamy texture that easily gets absorbed into your skin. Let me apply that to my face so that you understand what I'm talking about. So this is what the product inside looks like. Can you guys see? Can you guys see that? The product gets easily absorbed into your skin. So this is what the product looks like. So can you already see that? Now, the first thing that actually struck me the first time I got this product was the fragrance. Guys, I don't know what this product really smells like. It has this mild herbal, or will I call it herbaceous fragrance. Like, the fragrance is not in any way overpowering. It's a mild fragrance and is actually sort of neutral. It gives off like a natural scent. Now, one thing that drove me into buying this product, aside the packaging, was the brand claims. Guys, when I saw the serum at the mall, I just read through the packaging. And according to what's written on the body here, it says that Beauty Formulas Glowing Serum with 2% vitamin C is going to boost, invigorate, and improve skin radiance and help deliver a youthful glow. It also states that it's a vegan-free product and is a product made in UK. Now, let me read through what you stand to benefit when using this particular product. So, according to what's written on the back here, it says glowing serum, 2% vitamin C. Beauty Formulas facial serums include effective concentrations of skin nourishing actives to help boost your skincare routine. Their light and elegant texture is easily absorbed and gets to work straight away. This 2% vitamin C serum, fortified with provitamin B5, provides the skin with the goodness it needs to help stimulate a fresh, youthful, and glowing complexion. So those are the brand claims of this serum. Now, looking at the ingredient list, this serum is formulated with ingredients like alpha water, propanodiol, I can't pronounce that honestly. Xylene glycol, sodium ascorbyl that's your vitamin C. I'm going to do well to put the ingredient list for you guys on the screen so that you can scan through it in case you want to know all the ingredients in it. Now, with all of that out of the way, I'm here to share my honest experience with you guys because this is one serum that I have used firsthand. I've been using this for a complete 1 month in my skincare routine. Now, first things first, the packaging of this serum is simple. I love the packaging of this product. Guys, I actually went to get a vitamin C serum and I bumped into this particular product. And the packaging to me was attractive. And when I scanned through the ingredient list, I actually saw that vitamin C was the third ingredient on the list. So I knew that it contained a good amount of vitamin C that is going to actually work or be potent on the skin, unlike other affordable vitamin C serums. The first day I actually applied this vitamin C serum to my face, guys, I had that stingy feel the first night, because one thing about me is once I get a new product, I don't like applying it the same night with other products. I just run a test patch on my full face. So that night, I washed my face and I went in with this. The first few seconds, my skin felt a little tingly. I was actually thinking maybe my skin barrier is damaged. But after a few seconds, the stingy feel went off, like it stopped. So the first day I applied this, I actually had a stingy feel. So I'm not gonna come on here and say it was all good and sweet. No, that was why I knew that the amount of vitamin C or sodium ascorbyl phosphate in this was actually very effective. I really love the texture and the packaging of this glowing serum. It easily absorbs in into the skin and it gives you an instant smooth skin. After a few seconds of applying the product, if you touch your face is instantly going to feel smooth and it doesn't make you sweat. Your face is instantly going to feel so smooth and well hydrated. Like, guys, I love the effect of feel of this once I'm done applying it to my skin. I really love it. Now, judging by the ingredient list and my experience using this glowing vitamin C serum, guys, this is one serum that is going to give you an instant hydration on your skin. The fact that the first ingredient in this is aqua water should tell you that basically is going to hydrate your face. Now, according to the second ingredient and the third ingredient are humectant and solvent, which are going to help retain back that moisture. This is one serum that is also going to help with your skin texture. So if you're battling with a rough face or maybe your skin is not looking smooth, then I would advise you get this glow serum. It's going to help brighten up your skin, smoothen out your skin, and give you that beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. Honestly speaking, the brand claims of these products are true because your vitamin C is actually the third ingredient in this serum. And you guys know that vitamin C is a skin brightening ingredient that is going to help brighten up your skin, get rid of any form of aging signs on your skin, and give you a smooth, beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. Guys, the fact that this vitamin C serum have or contain sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which is a stable form of vitamin C, is going to help brighten up your face, get rid of any form of aging signs on your skin, and give you a smooth, radiant, glowing skin. This serum right here is going to boost your skin's radiance. It's a really nice face serum, and I'll recommend it for anyone battling with dark spots, uneven skin tone, or hyperpigmentation on their face. This is a potent vitamin C serum, and the fact that it's actually an affordable face serum says a lot, because these days you will not be able to get an affordable serum like this with a stable form of vitamin C serum. It's not that easy. Vitamin C is actually expensive. So when someone adds a whole 2% for you in a bottle, should tell you that that product is actually effective. This particular glowing serum is absolutely amazing and I would definitely recommend. It's suitable for all skin types and complexion. So if you're a dark skin, fair skin, chocolate skin, and you really want to brighten up your face and have it glowing, then I'll definitely recommend you get this serum. You're going to love the effect on your skin. It's going to help you target all those dark spots you have on your face. And if you have a dull looking skin, guys, this is one serum that would definitely brighten up your skin and give it a nice glow. So if you should compare this with other high-end products, guys, I would say that this is cheap because it actually has vitamin C as the third ingredient on the list. Tell me what brand will be able to give you a potent vitamin C serum for 3,950. Of course, this is a steal. Of course, this serum right here is a steal. If you can lay your hands on this serum, I would definitely recommend you get it. you're going to love the effect on your skin. Now, I know a lot of you will be wondering, Judith, how do I use this to get the best result out of it? Girl, all you have to do is to wash your face, apply your face toner, and immediately after applying your face toner, go in with a drop or two from this serum and apply it all over your face. Give it a minute to get fully absorbed into your skin. And once that is done, go in with your face cream and apply your sunscreen if it is in the daytime. And guys, you will have yourself to thank because your skin is going to become obviously brighter, radiant, and glowing. This is one serum I've been loving lately, and I actually thought to come on here and share with you guys because it has been doing an amazing job. It retails at the cost range of 3,500 to 4,000 plus, depending on where you're getting it from. This particular one, I actually got mine at the cost of 3,950. So prices will always differ depending on your location. So it's a really nice serum that will brighten and give you a radiant, smooth skin. So yeah, that is it on the cheapest serum for brighter, glowing skin. So if you're on a budget or you're looking for a serum that will brighten your skin and glow your skin, just get this and you're going to love the effect on your skin. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you got up to this point, you're the real MVP. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips. Guys, it's actually free of charge. Like so many of you watching my videos are not yet subscribed. Biko, Ejo, subscribe to my channel. It's not gonna cost you anything. Just subscribe, okay? You're going to love it on here. I promise you that. Thank you so much. Catch you guys on my next one. Bye, guys.